Good afternoon, Ben Franklin families. This is Mr. Martin with some information regarding our immunization day protocols coming up, our distance learning days scheduled for March 11th, 12th, March 31st, and April 1st. Want to try to answer any questions that you might have. First of all, let's look at the calendar. The 11th and 12th, Thursday and Friday of this week, are our first immunization days, our asynchronous distance learning days. The 11th is a B day, so students will attend their B day classes. The 12th is an A day, so on Friday, students will attend their A day classes. And then you can see on the 31st and the 1st, those are A and B days. Also, Thursday's an A day, Wednesday's an A day, Thursday's a B day on March 31st, April 1st. Now, what are the details regarding this? Well, first of all, the school will be closed on all 4 of those days. The school will be closed this Thursday and Friday. Students will have access, though, to asynchronous lessons and assignments for each of their scheduled classes. Every class, students should log in. They will have an assignment, except for advisory and study halls. Our 8th graders typically will have a study hall class. There are no asynchronous lessons for advisory and study halls on these days. And then when should the work be done? Well, encourage your child to get the work done as soon as possible. However, the assignment, the completion date, the exit ticket needs to be completed by March 23rd for work coming up this Thursday and Friday. That gives our teachers 2 days of face time to visit with the students after the assignment to make sure they understand everything and can complete everything after spending some face-to-face time with teachers. Later in the month, March 31st and April 1st, 2 more distance learning days, 2 more immunization days. Students need to complete those assignments by April 6th. More details about the asynchronous sessions. Teachers will plan 35 to 45-minute sessions for each of their class periods. These are asynchronous lessons and activities that students will be able to access on Educal by 7 in the morning each day. Educal is the method that students should use to access these assignments. Now, because they're asynchronous, you may wonder about logging in. But our periods 1 through 8, period 1 starts at 8:50, period 8 starts at 2:51. Your child should go to Educal at their assigned times, even though these are asynchronous recorded sessions. That'll keep your student in a routine. Now, some synchronous sessions may be offered. There may be some teachers that will notify your child in advance that Zoom links will be posted, live Zoom links will be posted on Educal. But because we know all students may not be able to attend because they may be caring for a younger sibling, these synchronous sessions will be recorded. Some more details. We don't control when our teachers, faculty, and staff will be immunized, so we don't control the schedule of that on Thursday and Friday. Because of that, and because it's unpredictability, how people getting the immunization will react, teachers and paraeducators may not be available live to students during any specific time on Thursday or Friday of this week. Because of that, we've given an extended deadline for people to complete their work. If you have questions, you can certainly contact the school to see if we can be of help to you. Our numbers are posted on the screen. So again, distance learning days coming up here this Thursday and Friday. That's March 11th and 12th. We're doing this because we have the opportunity to get vaccinations for our faculty and staff. We want to take full advantage of that. We understand and realize this creates quite a burden for our families, but it's just an opportunity we can't pass up. Hopefully, it helps us get to a level where all students are back in the building face-to-face with all of their teachers every day of the week as we move forward. So parents, we appreciate your support with this. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me if I can be of any assistance to you or answer any questions regarding our upcoming distance learning days. First ones being March 11th and 12th. Thank you all.